Right, a few of you might use the quick lock system in the gardeners. Excellent, really like it, no problems at all. And as you know, you just push that and the head comes off. Sometimes it gets a bit stiff, but I've shown in other videos, and apparently the newer ones are better anyway. But they last for ages anyway, so I've not got any new ones to sort of show you. But this is what's just arrived through my door today. Now, it just looks like an ordinary socket. This is from Aqua dapter. You know, the flip fast that they do. Because a lot of you still don't use the gardeners ones, so it's still, you know, that way. I mean, it's still quite good for you know, if you want to put a wag towel on or something like that, you know, just for quick and everything like that. Right, well, basically what it is, it looks like an ordinary one. I'll show you. You just go like that. See, there's a little tiny gap there and everything like that. In. And then off to that. Change your brush. Like that. Seconds. What a clever little idea. So simple, but so clever. Off like that. I know he's got these in stock, so my advice is go and buy them. Very, very good. I mean, if you like the gardeners ones, obviously you can stick with these. It's the same sort of thing, but a lot of people now are still, I've forgotten what head you call them now. You know, you haven't got that. You haven't got the square lot like the gardeners. A lot of people still use that, and the only reason I went to gardeners one, basically for the, you know, the quick, so you can just swap your brushes off. Now we have different options. Oh, look at that. That's what. That is very, very quick. Very impressed.